Here's a new 2023 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, V8 engine, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, four-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.